I had one question when I opened Sondo AI. What happens if I give AI a song and tell it to build the visuals around the music? Because making a cinematic music video usually means hours of editing, finding footage, syncing scenes, and trying to make everything feel like it belongs together. I wanted to see if Sondo could take that whole process and make it dramatically simpler. So I started with an actual track instead of some perfect demo song. That's important because a tool can look amazing when everything is prepared specifically for it. I wanted to see what happened when I gave it something I genuinely use. What I found interesting is the idea of letting the music drive the visual direction. Instead of choosing random clips and trying to force them to match the soundtrack afterward, the AI can use the song as a starting point for the visual concept. That makes the workflow feel much more natural for musicians and creators. And honestly, that's where I think Sondo AI has the most potential. If you're a musician, YouTuber, content creator, or even an agency making promotional content, you don't always need a giant production team. Sometimes you just need visuals that capture the feeling of the music. But here's the catch. Cinematic doesn't automatically mean good. You can get a beautiful looking shot that has absolutely nothing to do with the moment in the song. Or you might get a sequence that looks great individually but doesn't feel consistent when you watch the whole thing. That's something I'd pay close attention to before calling any AI music video tool a complete replacement for an editor. So I wouldn't just generate the video and hit publish. I'd treat the first result like a rough cut. Watch it with the song from beginning to end. See where the visuals actually match the energy, where they feel repetitive, and where you'd want something different. Then keep the strongest parts. That's still a huge advantage compared with starting from a completely empty timeline. And if you're a musician without a video team, this is where the idea gets really interesting. You can take a song you've already created and start exploring a visual identity for it without immediately spending a huge amount on production. For agencies and businesses, I'd look at it slightly differently. You could use the same concept to quickly prototype a visual campaign before investing in a full production. So, can Sondo AI turn music into cinematic videos? It can get you surprisingly close to a finished visual concept very quickly, but the best results still come from someone making creative decisions about what stays and what gets cut. Because AI can generate the visuals, you still have to decide whether they actually tell the story. Now, I'm curious, if you could turn one song into a cinematic AI video, what kind of story would you create? Comment below and tell me the song or genre you'd use first.